Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix the online services currently unavailable in the eFootball. So let me guide how to fix this problem. Our first method is so simple that you have to just check your internet connection that if it is stable or not, and try to change the network connection from mobile data to Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just try to restart the router of network connection by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds, and then turn it off, restore your internet connection and restart your game. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. Moving to the next method, you have to just open your phone settings and then click on the apps management and then app settings, and search here for your app and tap to open it. Here you have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache. But in some cases you need to clear the storage as well and then press OK. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next method. So for the next method, you have to just open your browser, any browser, like I am using the Chrome browser, and then search here for a website which is named as Down Detector. Tap to open this website here and then search here for your eFootball. Doing so, you have to just check that if the server of the game is down, then you have to just wait for 24 to 48 hours, and doing so, your problem will be fixed by itself. And in the next method, you have to just restart your device one time. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. Moving to the last and the final method, you have to just tap and hold on your app and then click to uninstall it, and again reinstall from Play Store or App Store. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.